bandeko ezanga mama avec Chez TV ezui bomoni biso lelo na bana na biso ya basi awa tozali koya na likambo ya le 30 juin mais ndenge ekotombe le 30 juin kozala dimanche ekozala le 29 juin toza na likambo ya indépendance okotuna bana na biso eloko nini baprépare biso po biso bamiko toprépare yango te bango te baprépare yango bokobanda na Amanda esa kombo na yo
Benedict
botuna bango nini Amanda eloko nini tomoni batrole ebele boye.
So guys, the 29th of June, it's happening in 2 days. The Independence Day celebration in Perth, Western Australia will be happening. So please go on and get your tickets if you haven't got any tickets. Make your contributions if you're in the Congolese community. And also, the dress code, we want mamas. Mamas, we want you to wear your maputas. Wear your maputas, papas, ça fait bien. Wear your vest, whatever you want to wear, but look good on that day because today that day we'll be celebrating. And also, I'll just pass it on to Ben to carry on.
Okay guys, there's going to be many performances, there's going to be dancing, every Congolese tribal dances you will see on that day. It's going to be many entertainment. You want to be there, you don't want to miss out on all the cool things that are going to be shown, everything to do with Congo. You'll come in and learn a few things so you don't leave empty-handed. Yeah, and you get to know everything about us and see a lot of amazing things.
Okay. Okay,
so make sure you guys all have your tickets. If you haven't grabbed your tickets yet, go online, go on our Facebook page. We have tickets linked. Make sure you get your tickets because it's only a couple of days away. This Saturday it's happening, so make sure you grab your tickets really quick.
I hope you guys really come. It's going to be really great fun. Hope to see you guys all there. Everyone's welcome. It doesn't matter where you're from or your color, you're all welcome. So see you there on Saturday.
Okay, bochanga na katikati bandeko nyonso no bafuti tikete bakoki koya liboso porte bakofuta tikete na bango le 30 juin amona ba ekoyinda le 30 juin ekoyinda tobengi ba congolais nyonso boya bakolata nini maputa teni bakolata eza nini maputa mama kobosana kitambala te kobosana te pante kobosana robe te le 29 ekosala nini ekoyinda